Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 20, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong December 20, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, December 20, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 20, 2024 Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, December 20, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of December 20, 2024 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.